Okay, if a flat earther ever tries to say that NASA has faked every photo from space or every picture, video has been photoshopped, show them this video.
This camera, part of a flying laboratory, is recovered by Clyde Holliday of Johns Hopkins, who prepared it for its trip to the upper stratosphere. Rivaling the fantastic imagination of Jules Verne, the camera brought back a record of a flight into the heavens of a captured German V-2 rocket. At White Sands, New Mexico, the huge missile takes off. Air Force pictures show the rocket in flight, and the flying camera automatically takes over. The huge projectile drops the Earth behind at the tremendous speed of 4,000 feet per second. The rotation of the rocket causes the planet to spin before the lens, and the camera photographs the Earth 65 miles straight down. The horizon, 720 miles away, and the curvature of the Earth are astonishingly apparent in this still picture from the film. An observer in the rocket could have seen San Diego, Salt Lake City, Kansas City, and San Antonio. Approximately 1,600,000 square miles of the Earth's surface was revealed. The rocket reached the 65-mile height in 3 minutes. This giant engine of destruction, designed by Hitler to annihilate Allied nations, now serves the worthy cause of peacetime research.
All right, that's it. Flat Earth is done. Again, it's over. But, of course, we'll see what excuse they create this time. But just to clarify, this is from 1946, October 24th, from White Sands Missile Base. It's a captured Nazi V-2. And now remember, NASA wasn't established till 1958. Photoshop wasn't invented till 1988. And this was the first high-altitude picture they took from the rocket, and it went up to 65 miles. Now, one last thing to clarify is when it's going up, it looks like it's going really fast, but it's because the camera was taking one frame every 1.5 seconds. So it looks to speed it up. That's why it gets up there so fast. I know somebody's going to say, there's no way it could get that high that quick. And they're right. It was just a really slow frame rate. So, anyways, that's it. Game over. Adios. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear what anybody has to say. Subscribe, like. That'd be great. Thank you.